Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo on how to create a token on Polygon Proof of Stake network. Start by heading to tokentool.bitbond.com and connecting your preferred wallet. Once your wallet is connected, select Polygon PoS as your blockchain of choice. Click Create Token. Specify the details of your token, including the name, symbol, total supply, and decimal places. You can also explore additional features to customize your token to suit your specific needs. When you're ready, accept the terms and conditions, click Create Token, and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation modal with your token's contract address and a link to the block explorer. And that's it. Your token is now live on Polygon Proof of Stake network. Bitbond Token Tool, tokens made easy.